Hi Me fans, it's Gunpla from the Me Community UK. I'm a moderator on the community. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a order I purchased directly from Xiaomi UK for the Poco F2 Pro, and also got a free gift with that order for the Me True Wireless Headphones 2 Basic. The actual order itself was down to $4.99 with the free gift, but because he also got double Me points and from other points I already had in the account, I paid roughly £471 for this order. So I placed this order on Monday. It is now Wednesday, so it was very quick, dispatched from France. So let's have a look at, open the box and have a look inside. Okay, so inside the box I got from the order, you'll see here, I've got the F2 Pro, the free gift with the order on round 4 of the summer sale, the True Wireless Headphones 2 Basic. And also, Xiaomi UK have thrown in a 2020 Me Fan Fest gift. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Just a wee figure. So what I'll do, I'll just throw this box out the way. I think we should open the wee figure first, because that's the exciting part. A cool wee nerdy gift thrown in with an order is definitely something that has to be admired. So I don't know why it looks like the wee figure is shrugging for some reason. Quite a cute little thing, all made out of rubber. So let's place them over there next to the speakers. So yeah, thanks Xiaomi UK for the little figure. That's really cool. What a nice little addition, especially for a Me fan as well. So what we're going to start with is the True Wireless Headphones 2 Basic. This is the global version. I also received a Chinese version today. The whole box was in Mandarin. This one you can see here clearly shows multiple languages. So what we're going to have a look at is the side of the box first. So see stable Bluetooth signal, call noise reduction, fast connection, long lasting battery. Here's some of the other specifications. So you can see here the model number of the headphones, the weight altogether, the net weight, Type C port, which is on the back of the actual device, as well as that. Let's have a look here. You can see Bluetooth 5.0. Charge time is around an hour and a half, which is really good. Supported audio codecs. So we've got SBC and AAC. I've already kind of tested it when connection. This option will only come up if your phone is enabled for AAC. So when you go into the Bluetooth settings of the device, you need to enable this feature. Here's the Bluetooth profiles, and it also tells you it's got a 10-meter range roughly. You've got the headphone battery life is about 5 hours. Total battery life is about 20 hours, and that's because of the case itself that charges the individual headphones up. So take that into consideration, that's not continuous, of course. The dimensions of the device, and the contents as well too within the box. So what we're going to do, we'll open the box, and after I've shown you everything that's inside the box, what I'm going to do is connect it directly to the phone once we've opened this as well, to the Poco F2 Pro. Okay, so I've opened it from the bottom. Let's have a look in here. Yeah, so you can see here straight away, USB Type-C connection. Obviously no plug in the box, very minimalistic box, so we don't expect to have a plug in there, but you can use it off your phone. Okay, I'm just going to sit that up there. I believe the actual manual is in the bottom here. Oh wow. I opened the Chinese version of this today because I'd ordered it before it was announced for Europe and before it was going to get released in Europe. So I've actually received mine the same day as my wife got her set that I've ordered for her with this phone. So yeah, so it's quite a large manual. I'm guessing that's purely because of the multiple languages for the global sales of the device. I'm just going to have a quick look to see in the English part here if it has anything different to explain. Obviously you can pause between this and have a look at the manual for page. I think that's on us onto the next language, so I'm going to put that aside over there. Okay, so the most important part, the product itself. Let's pull this wee sticker off. Just going to put that over here. Pull these out. Let's have a look. So you'll see on the side here we've got plenty of wee holes. I believe this is kind of used for the noise reduction. This is a sound that goes directly into the canal of your ear. Here you'll see the actual the two pins that connects directly in the case for charging, and some microphones at the bottom. I don't know whether these ones here are actually microphones there or whether they're lights, but we'll find out in a wee second. Okay, I'll just put the headphones up here on the F2 Pro. And let's have a look at this here as well. The actual box that charges the headphones itself. So, oh, always do that. Always have it upside down. So straight away, compared to the one I've received today from China, there's a lot more details on the bottom. Obviously, this is a global variant, so it's got English on the bottom as well as some other languages as well. And obviously all the approvals for safety within the global region. Open the box itself. So it's a nice matte touch finish that I've found for some of the other ear dots in the past. Open the box itself. Oh, this side here. So yeah, it's very glossy on the inside. Nice matte finish on the outside. Kind of a satin touch to it. Let's put the headphones in. Okay, as soon as you put the headphones in, you can see there the wee light on the front. I'm guessing that's charging them, hopefully. Hopefully have a bit of power in them as well. And on the back here, you see the USB Type-C as well. That's the port for charging. So, what I'll do, I'll just move this box aside here. Leave them over there. And let's move over to the star of the show itself, the Poco F2 Pro. Ready to open it. So I'll just cut this shrink wrap off the case itself. Okay, just throw that to the side. Here's the good bit. Just so you can see it's a real unboxing. A brand new phone. Okay. Before I open. Okay, so now on to the unboxing of the Poco F2 Pro. 5G, of course. Comes with a Snapdragon 865. You'll see here on the side, you've got the Poco F2 Cyber Grey. 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. All the model numbers, global variants. Yeah, everything's on the side there. You can see here as well too, Poco F2 Pro. The high-res audio is actually a sticker. A lot of the other boxes actually come with this printed directly on it. Let's have a look at the bottom here. Looks like it's come from Xiaomi Holland. There you go. That's a new one to me. So that's where it must be getting shipped to for the UK market. Let's open the box, have a look inside. Love the black and yellow. So normal SIM tool, as you would expect. I would guess this is your warranty and user guides. Let's have a look at the case as well. So the case seems to be quite premium, like it has been with a lot of Xiaomi phones recently. I've noticed they're not just your normal kind of like soft, was it TPU cases? They're actually quite hard plastic. So even though it's clear, it seems to be solid enough and quite protective. You can see here there's a cutout in the top. That's the case out the way. Let's move on to the star of the show. Put this box over here. Okay, so before I rip off the plastic, let's have a look. So you got the Poco F2 Pro, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 5G, supports all networks in the UK. We got liquid cooling technology 2.0. We got the 6.67-inch AMOLED full screen display. Definitely a follow-up from the Mi 9T Pro, also known as the Redmi K20. This phone is also branded as the Redmi K30 in China. It's also got the 64 megapixel AI quad camera with 8K video recording and a 20 megapixel pop-up front-facing camera. And we've also got 4,700 milliamp battery with 30 watt fast charging. But let's move on and rip this off and have a look at the cyber grey color. Cyber grey. Okay, let's have a look at the phone without the wrapper. So we have the cyber grey. You can see here it's got like a halo effect around the camera. It's got a lovely grey matte finish to it. Not as much as a fingerprint magnet as a gloss finish. You can see here at the bottom as well, we've got USB Type-C port for charging and connecting. We've also got a speaker grill. We've also got your SIM tray. On this side here, there's nothing on the left side of the phone, just an antenna line. On the top here, you've got two antenna lines. You've got your pop-up camera. This little ring on the pop-up camera, if you can see it there, that is actually an LED notification as well. You've got an IR blaster there. So the IR blaster on the K20 Pro and the Mi 9T Pro was actually over here, but a headphone jack. That's right, a headphone jack. That is a feature. On this side here, you can see on the unibody, you've got another two antenna lines. You've got your volume rocker and your red accent of the power button. I don't know whether it's red, but just purely because it's kind of highlighting that's the power button itself. So yeah, looks really beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah, pretty impressed. And let's have a look at the screen itself. So it really is a full screen display without a doubt. So I'm going to go for the setup process and come back to you in a wee minute. So underneath the phone we have a UK plug, which is a 30 watt plug. Okay, so you'll see along here any details. The details are here. And we also have a USB Type-C cable inside the box. Okay guys, so there you have it. I've just quickly set up the phone without signing anything in. You can see here it's got straight away an update for MIUI 12. Or did I mention there's a screen protector actually pre-applied just while we're waiting for this update? Okay, so we've finally come to MIUI 12 update. Update now. So there we have it. It's been updated to MIUI 12. Okay, so there you have it. That's been an unboxing of the Poco F2 Pro and also the Mi True Wireless Headphones 2 Basic. I'll also leave a link in the description below for Xiaomi UK if you would like to get hold of this offer for a free pair of these here. As well as that, I'll leave a link in the description for the Mi Community UK if you'd like to download the app or just head directly over to the webpage and get involved. And also see my profile for any more contents that I release. So hit the like and also subscribe button. Thank you for watching today. Cheers, guys.